There are two ways how you can automate your WhatsApp sales, because there are two ways how customers can reach you or you can reach out to customers. The first one would be a customer reaches out to you. For example, you have a chat on WhatsApp button on your website like I have here, right? And if I am, as a customer, click on that, a WhatsApp chat will open and it will start chatting with me, right? And I can start chatting here. And what you see on the left side is actually an automated sales agent. So you will see if I, as an interested lead, start messaging this AI appointment setter, then she will automatically respond without you having to be on your phone and having to respond. And as you can see here, she already tries to qualify me. Hey, how would you like that I reply to you in 10 seconds? Obviously, she's trying to sell this software here, which is the AI appointment setter, and is already leading me towards a demo, a live demo. Okay, how cool is that? If I now say, yes, that sounds good to me, then she will continue to qualify me and to book an appointment with me inside the WhatsApp chat without you having to even be on your phone. So now she asked me for my local time zone and country. Now, great. Now we saw the inbound use case, right? For the inbound use case, click on the first link in the bio to see another video how you set that up for your business in literally 5 minutes. Now, the other use case is how you can automate WhatsApp sales is by sending an outbound message, right? Maybe you have a lead form. So let me scroll down here. Now here we have a form. This could be your Facebook form. This could be on your Webflow website. It could be on your WordPress or whatever website, right? If I now hit submit here on this form as a lead, then you will automatically send an outbound message, right? You send here, as you can see, in literally 5 seconds, the Megan, the AI appointment setter, sent an outbound message to the lead, to me as a lead right now. And if I now continue here, this will be the same game. She will try to qualify me and try to book an appointment with me. Now, I hope this gave you a great 100-second overview about what you can do with WhatsApp sales automation. Now, how you set up the outbound setter, for example, with Facebook leads ads, as an example, go to the second link in this video description. And if you want to get started and build this for yourself in literally minutes and connect your WhatsApp business account, go to Setter AI, trysetter.com, and get started for free.